The 2015 GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI is available in both 2- and 4-door models to easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, floor mats, premium sound system, climate control, FWD, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.